Cleo. What do we have here? Oh. What's that? That is an early birthday present. Sit tight and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so this is just going to be a quick and dirty. Went and picked this up from my local FFL, Fountain Firearms here in Houston, Texas. They posted this on their website Thursday evening, and within 5 minutes he reserved that for me because it was the only one he had. So let's take a look at what we got in here. Oh, the business. What you're looking at is a Walther Q5 Match. Steel frame. I guess competition gun you could call it. Nice beaver tail. 5.5 pound trigger. Very comfortable grips. Quite a heavy gun, about as much as my Hudson. There may be a Hudson comparison video here coming soon. Fiber optic front sight. Shadowed rear. And 3 plates that interchange at the top of the slide, as you can see here, cut for RMRs or whatever other optic you want to run. So anyway, I picked this up as an early birthday present since my birthday's coming up next weekend. I'll be the big 4-0. Doesn't feel like it, but you know. And keep an eye out. I'll probably do a shooting video maybe tomorrow. See if we can get it out to the range and run a few rounds through this and maybe reminisce with my old Hudson while I'm at it too. Anyway, just thought I'd share this with you guys and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.